Just look at how clear this is. It's ridiculous. Kind of sketchy. So before I start the video, I'd like to talk a little bit about the place that I'm going to, Wacissa River. So the Wacissa River is a large river fed by lots of these pop-up limestone springs, about 12 of them to be exact. It's up in the North Florida area near Jefferson County, close by my neck of the woods. It's about 12 miles long and it's flowing with some of the clearest water you'll ever see in Florida. I mean, like, super clear, crystal clear. You'll see in the video. And you know, that's all there really is to Wacissa. There's a park you can go visit, so if you like this video, you can go check out the place for yourself. If you don't have a kayak like me to get to the swings, you can always rent one. I noticed they have boat tours, and rentals for kayaks super close by. So if you like what you see, I mean, go out there and try it for yourself. Go see what Wacissa is all about. Alright, now back to the video. Also, you'll have to mind my intro. I had my AC on and it was super loud. I completely forgot to turn it down. Alright, anyways, back to the video now. Alright, hello everyone. Today, I ended up deciding to go to Wacissa Springs. Never been here before. I decided to take you guys along for the ride. As you can see, it's a great day. I'm going to enjoy it and I'll record the journey. Alright, I will see you on the river. I have to walk all the way back because there was no parking. Yeah, basically I got the boat launched, not boat, but kayak launched, and I'm walking back. It looks really packed today, so I think I'm gonna head to some of the more low-key spots first before I check out this spring here and see what I can find to record. All right, I will see you on the river. Nice hike, dude. Hey, how you doing? Guys, I think this is my new favorite spot. It's so nice out here. The water is crystal clear. It's ice cold. And it's flat. I don't have to deal with salt. I also don't have to rinse everything off when I go home. It is nice out here. Nice. Alright guys, you know it can't be a trip out on the water without a little bit of fishing, so I'm gonna do some fishing. This seems like one of those spots that would have fish, and I saw some bass, so found this spot that looks like it might have some fish like that. And yeah, I'm gonna try it out. Alright, 4K isn't working for me, so I'm just gonna do regular, and oh my goodness, I don't want to run into that, so we're just gonna back up. This is off to a bad start. I'm struggling on the kayak. At least in open ocean, you don't have to worry about hitting anything or getting caught in the weeds. I'm not a freshwater fisherman at all. I prefer the salt. But you know, you gotta try new things. Alright, I tell you what, We got 20 minutes to get to the next spring, so I'm gonna make it over there. And if I see any fishing spots, then I'll stop. All right, see you there. I think we're coming up on the spot, everyone. A ton of people just came out of that little, I don't know, side entrance. So I'm gonna assume that's where the main spring is. So yeah, that's the spot. It looks like we're just about here. Or maybe not. Maybe a spring, but I don't know if it's the spring. I guess we'll find out. Alright, it looks like we made it. And, you know, a couple boulders came through here, but before, oh my goodness. I just gotta say, it was absolutely crystal clear. It's ridiculous. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can just understand how clear it is. I wonder if you'll see any alligators today. Be cool. Tell you what, whatever boat came through here definitely hit up on that stump. And if it wasn't that one, it was definitely this one. I'm hitting it then, they must have hit it. tree is crazy. See where that guy's swinging off? It's maybe like 10 feet up. The guy's at like 20 feet. I'm gonna record this. Dude, this guy's crazy. I think he's not gonna do it. Oh my god, bro. Now listen up, boys and girls. Never be overconfident, because those are the times when you end up hurting yourself. And I learned my lesson the hard way.
Hey, at least you got it on video.
Yeah.
Do a backflip.
I'll try. Yeah, just do one. Just do one.
Just do one. I'll catch it.
I bet you it is.
Hold up. Alright. Oh! Hold on, it's wrapped around your body. I would not jump. Don't jump. Hold up, I got you. I got you.
Just follow that.
Alright, you're good. Jump, jump, jump. He said.
Those around here when I decided, you know what, had enough of busting up myself on the swing, and I dove enough. It's kind of cold. Decided to head back, and around here I stumbled upon some guys, you know, checking out something. So me and my curious self decided to go over and see what they were checking out. What do you know? It was an alligator. So here's the clip. See something. No, you stay right there. I'm just gonna ease up closer to him.
Oh.
Bro.
He's not even moving, bro.
It's kind of sketchy.
Oh man! What did you run for?
Where'd he go?
He done took off. I'm trying to get right up on him.
Oh man.
He got close to the...
Alright, so as usual, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Very appreciative. Yes, that's the video. Had a good time out at Wacissa River. Definitely bringing the family out here next time. If you want to see any more videos like this, you know, let me know by liking. And if you haven't done it, you can hit the bell. I'm a new channel, so I'll try and get videos out there every day. And yeah, you can also comment. Tell me good places to go. I don't really know Florida too well. So yeah, give me hints. I'll go to those places. Alright, bye. Have a good one.